Welcome to e-learning classes of Seth Chotilal Academy Dart. Children, today we will study about joints. Why our skeleton has many bones of different shapes and sizes instead of only long bones. Feel your elbow and your knee. You are able to move your arms inward and outward at your elbow. Similarly, you can move your leg inward and outward at your knee. Had the bones of your arms and legs been completely straight and long, these movements could not have happened. Rather, the bones had got fractured. In our body, two or more bones are connected at a structure called joints. The elbow and knee are joints. There are many joints in our body, but all joints are not essentially movable. Some joints do not allow any movement. These are called immovable joints. For example, bones of skull are tightly joined together. Accordingly to the movement, movable joints are classified as following. Children, we know that there are many joints are present in our body. These joints help in movement of organ and play important role in our daily life. These joints are of two types. First, movable joints. Such types of joints move, and second, immobile joints. These types of joints are fixed. Example, bones of skull. Next, ball and socket joints. In this joint, a round ball like end of a bone fits into a socket like depression of the other bone. These joints allow movement in all directions, including rotational movement. It forms hip and shoulder joints. Second, hinge joint. A hinge joints allow only back and forth movement such as bending and straightening. This joint is like hinges in a door that can be opened and closed in one only. Elbow, knee, finger, and toe have hinge joints. Next, pivot joint. In this joint, a rounded or pointed bone fits into a shallow depression. In the other bone, it is found between the skull and first two vertebrae of the backbone. It allows your head to turn sideways, left and right, and up and down. Next, gliding joint. This type of joints is found in the bones of wrist and ankle. It allows back and forth and side to side movement. Children, movable joints, there are many types. First, ball and socket joints. These types of joint present in our shoulder and hip. Next, hinge joint. These types of joints present in our finger, elbow, knee, and toes. In these types of joints, our body parts move only in one direction, not both direction, like as hinges of door that move only in one direction. Next, pivot joint. This joint present between the skull and first two vertebrae of backbone. These types of joints allow your head to turn left and right and up and down. Next, gliding joints. These types of joint present in our wrist and ankle. Children, so we can say these joints is very important in our daily life.